Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 6th of September 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 rose slightly today to finish at 7,529 points, having lost nearly 1% earlier in the day before rebounding. Technology stocks were among the best performers, while the energy and materials indices were both more than 1% lower. The banks were mostly higher, with the exception of Westpac, which lost ground. Afterpay was up 1.7%, while Xero and Telstra both beat the market. The big iron ore miners lost ground. Fortescue Metals traded ex-dividend, meaning that anyone buying the stock today doesn't get the big dividend announced by the mining giant last month. Its share price fell nearly 11%, easily the worst on the bourse. Pro Medicus was down 5.8%, while Pilbara Minerals was off 5.3%. Software group Appen was the best performer of the top 200, up 4.6%. The stock has tumbled over the past fortnight, and today's rise was welcomed by shareholders. IDP Education was next best, up 4.3%. Several of the gold diggers performed strongly as the price of gold hit a 2.5-month high of $1,830 an ounce. Evolution was up nearly 4%, while market leader Newcrest Mining was 2.5% higher. The announcement of a merger between Santos and Oil Search has been pushed out after the period of due diligence was extended by a week. The exclusive due diligence on the $21 billion merger will continue until next Monday. There was no reason given for the extension, though both sides agreed to it. Telstra boss Andy Penn made a surprise visit to Papua New Guinea about buying the telco Digicel based in PNG. This is the one that the Australian government asked Telstra to have a look at as it tried to prevent the asset falling into Chinese hands. Mr. Penn met with the country's Prime Minister, James Marape. Digicel is the largest owner and operator of 3G and 4G mobile networks in PNG, Fiji, Tonga, Vanuatu, Samoa and Nauru. BGH Capital withdrew its bid to acquire Hansen today. It was offering $6.50 a share. As a result, Hansen's share price tumbled more than 9%. The second biggest IPO of the year hit the bourse today, and it jumped 15% on listing. Home Consortium's Healthcare and Wellness Real Estate Investment Trust, or REIT, includes 27 medical hubs, private hospitals, childcare centres, aged care and government facilities. That's it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 6th of September 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the Tuesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.